Hey boss, where are we going?
We are in the Hawk's Nest right now, and we're heading to Knight's Eddy on the Delaware River to put our rafts in.
Look at our bus driver.
Are you?
Where are we going, Enrique?
I don't know. Go to the river.
We're praying, we're hoping and praying none of the Garden State Koi employees die on this trip. Especially the ones that don't know how to swim.
Like Baldo.
Baldo!
Your brother over there with his life vest on the bus.
He's ready to go. Any water on the bus, we're safe.
I'm ready. Just in case the bus goes
The
down.
bus goes in the river, we're safe.
Yeah, he's ready. We have Enrique over here. We have Jesse. We have Corey. We have Tommy. Lucas. We have Freddie.
Hey!
We have Jonathan. Rafael. Jason with the cooler. We have Valerie over here.
I'm right outside for one of yours.
There's Mel carrying all the heavy stuff.
Yeah. And we have Tim.
Hey,
You have beer
careful.
or just water?
Beer's
This
in the other one.
is water.
Baldo. We have Abuelito. We have Brian. We have Boss Man over here. We have Roberto. And we have the bus driver. Thank you.
Keep that on. Everybody say Roberto.
We have 5 tubes over here, and we are getting ready to head out into the river. Tim, where we at?
So we're at Indian Head Canoes on the Delaware, and it's a river trip company, and we're at Knight's Eddy base. So that's where we're gonna be starting out, and we're gonna be heading that way down the river.
Cool.
It's gonna be an awesome day. Have you ever done this before?
No,
No?
it's gonna be my first time.
Oh man.
It's gonna be my first time in
Might be your last
forever. Hopefully not.
Going backwards. There's a race already.
Yeah, we have some.
King of the world.
They're drinking beer already? No, sodas. The water is crystal clear.
Baldo, get in quick! Get in, Baldo! You ready? Yeah.
They get stuck over there. That's Enriquez over there with Roberto, Baldo, and Abuelito. And our team is over here with Rafi, Jonathan, Ryan. We have some action. We are getting closer to the rapids.
Yeah, there we go. Towie has a half a beer down, and it's he's a wild man. Go, Corona! Anybody Corona? Corona? I got right in front. Yes, please. Corona overboard. The big one, not the small one. I don't want a small one.
It's not a small one. We know you like the big one. Come on.
Yo, I like the big one. Okay, thanks for putting that out there, Mel.
We leave some R in the river. That's ours. And that's the winner, guys. That's the
We're cheating.